Good evening all. Today next topic is key enablers for LT features standardizations. We are going to discuss IP-based flat network architectures. It is very clearly shows in the following tables. Before discussing this topic, IP-based flat network architecture, we should know the summary of 3GPP standard because LTE was developed by 3GPP standard body and 3GPP it is been first time that was used in GSM technology in 99, that was released 99 and that was in 2000 it was published, whereas others from release 4 to 10 it is been displayed here. 4 was released on 2001, 5 2, 6 4, 7 7 and 8 2009, 9 2010 and 2010 2012. Why I am telling about this today to you people? See, in 2000 for GSM technology it is evolved for network of the UMTS we have developed, and that is being 3G technology for GSM were evolved with the new technology. Apart from FDMA and TDMA, we had gone for WCDMA and edge technology. Okay, this is being used in additional evolution of the GSM technology. In release 4, it is multimedia messaging is being using, and also IP transport protocol we have used in 2001. 2005 HSPA, I always talking release 6 onwards HSPA, release 7 onwards HSPA plus, which was using WiMAX as well as HSPA. These are the two things as being the features of entire features of GSM technology involved in WiMAX as well as in HSPA plus by LTE, and that become standard. So we have used near to 4G technology broadband, but not exactly we can say that LTE becoming. There was drawback of the I have already discussed earlier slides. Okay, that it has not reached to the exact 4G level. So we have used in release 6 we have used HSPA. Okay, uplink for it is improved to uplink 2 megabit per second, and whereas release 5 it was improved IMS technology for GSM technology 1.8 megabit per second. In release 7 that was the revolutions where we have used QM technology, OFDM technology. This OFDM technology is used 64 QM for downlink and 16 QM modulation technique with carrier with the channels we have used for uplink, and that is why it is improved the capacity, and that was the marvelous change in LTE technology we have used. Release 8 2009 it was released. We have I told the drawback of HSPA plus it was not able to use synchronize with OFDM technology with MIMO, multiple input but multiple output technology it is being involved. That was the drawback in HSPA plus. So LTE has taken adopted in MIMO OFDMA technology, which is possible for 64 QMA for downlink, and 2010 it is included HSPA included in LTE as a whole structure of the of release 8, and HSPA and OFDMA I told WiMAX and OFDMA, but we have taken into LTE. LTE started from release 9, and that is release 10 expected verify LTE 4G. So I have given you the history background of the IP base before talking about internet protocol, which is being included in later release of the LTE. So now we'll talk about LTE, SAE system architecture, long-term evolutions of the which is being come from long. It is long such adopted the WiMAX, adopted the HSPA plus, and for release 6 onwards that become, and we have included internet protocol that become a revolution for the voice over internet protocol. Okay, and that is the reason we have to discuss this IP based flat network architecture. IP based flat network architecture, the lower infrastructure cost, lower latency, fewer nodes are requirement to the design toward the flattest architecture. We know it also means fewer interfaces and protocol related processing and reduced interoperability testing, which lowers the development and deployment costs. Fewer nodes also allows better optimizations of radio interface, merging some control plane protocols and short messaging sort of time. Following figure shows how to 3GPP. 3GPP, when we come to 3GPP, it comes to GSM technology, how we evolve from 3G we have taken. Architecture evolved over a few releases. That is the things we can see now. 3GPP evolution toward the flash LTE long-term evolution and SE system architecture evolution architecture, it is shown below. Release 6, already I have briefed you earlier, very first slide. We have told that earlier it was very release 6 what we have done. If you go first, okay, I have told this was GGSM. We have used, okay, 3G gateway GPR service node. So there was in release, okay, 3G, before 3G 2.5, there was no, okay, data transmission, etc. So after release 2, GSM technology release 2, in 3G we have taken gateway, a new technology for GPRS service provision facility, and there it is gone to service GPR service node, okay, and that is service, it is taking from messaging or other data through BSC, through wireless. The people who are having the mobile for only for voice, now they can use for messaging and other things. So that is the reason it is connected to BSC. Till here it was the 3GPP earlier release, BSC RNC, and you can see BSC base station control IC or BSC station center, both are same. It is connected to RNC. Okay, this is radio network controller. Maybe it may be a base station only, base station, and base station is connected to subscriber. Okay, cellular, you can say cellular device or subscriber. Okay, phone. So that is the things, it is the network. Till here it was earlier release 2.5 or 2 GSM technology, where it is included how to make the things happen. Voice technology, voice, we are talking on the channeling of the only for voice that can be added to GPS technology evolve here, and that is the reason release 6 we have taken. Later on they have modified. Okay, is what we have done in release 7, we have taken direct tunnel option, whereas SGCN it was coming the RNC or BSC, it was going through SGCN service provider. We have eliminated, development has come here, we have taken RNC, the thing radio network directly we have connected to GGSN or MSC or whatever it is, those things, and here node B. Node B is nothing but, you can say that the node B here we are taking okay, node B from the for the announcement node B, okay, and then it is being node B, it is being RNC is included into SE technology gateway where 3G LTE release 7 node B with RNC options. You see release 7 now SE itself gateway become SAE and that is included node RNC there only, and that is service provider for this thing already node we have connected there. And at last release 8 we have taken MME, and that MME is mobility management, okay, entity we have done how exactly handoff and visitor locations, okay, identifications, that will be directly now there is no many others, okay, things are there it directly not connected to MSC, and this is only through MME we have connected here, okay, their mobility management entity already, so that it will improve the management of the handoff and mobility system. That's all. Today this is the end of my topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.